As soon as UPS shows up, they're already 3 hours late. So whenever they decide to get here, Alright, just wanted to give you an update. Got the hoses cut and installed up here, waiting for the tank to go back in. I got the tank. Yeah, there's my thing of stuff. Seeing all this. I cleaned the tank up a bit, wiped it down, and did you see it? Yeah, cleaned. I just wiped it with some purple power. And this is just waiting on an onion ring to go in here. So, as soon as UPS shows up, they're already 3 hours late. So whenever they decide to get here, it goes under there, back in. So now wait on me. We got the O-ring. We got the old O-ring. This is a G10 AC Delco, so it's should be the right part. You can see there's quite a bit of difference between these two O-rings. This one didn't fit that well. Really had to fight to get that in. This one appears, you know, it has these tabs that the other one didn't have. It also has metal in it, which I'm guessing is a good thing. I don't know if you can see this. Let me turn you a bit, maybe. Okay, there we go. This sits down in here really nicely. This doesn't fit for crap. Buta said. Already cleaned that lip out. Want to make sure you're careful when you're putting these back in so you don't damage the pickup. It's the part that's inside the little sock. You damage that, you're buying new parts again, and then waiting for a week for them to show up. So, yeah, this is already better. Normally I'd use a drift or something for this, but in this case I have these old cheap screwdrivers. These little stops. You want to get them all the way up to the metal tabs. That way you're just sure you got the best seal. Basically, we're pretty much there now. I got to get this under the car and get it hooked up to the hoses that are under there, and then plug this back in and stuff some dinosaur juice down her neck, and then probably go down to the gas station and fill the tank again, because I don't really want to fill it full of a bunch of lawnmower gas, but I know that it's premium in the can because I pulled it out of here and it was premium when I put it in. But you never know what's in the gas can that it mixed with, so all right, get this under there. I need a gas cap. This one keeps coming apart. That should get her down the road to the gas station. No leaks. Keeping our gas inside. All right, looks like we fixed it. So I'll get my tools picked up, take it down to the gas station and fill the tank again. And this time, hopefully not spill it over the ground. Should be good. I'm 99.999% sure that the big gaping hole in the fuel line on the return side is what was dumping the fuel over the ground. So now we can go back to doing cool stuff.